bloody bay.
My bloody bay. LFG.
With the water in that, innit?
Whoa, these flying crocs.
I need to put my bed. Oh, actually,
0.5. Why don't you sit on the
sit on,
bed?
yeah, sit on there. Can I sit on that? Yeah. Is this my TV? Oh my god, it's my TV.
Is it?
Oh.
You try and
Go on, Rubes, go see if they're friendly.
Thank you.
No, he's coming towards us.
That's not cool. Man, he's swimming.
Oh, is she?
Oh.
Not me running for my absolute life, thinking it's going to swim for me.
Swimming after you.
People are all on the beach and it's fine.
I don't know.
Go on me on the tube. Tube.
Who's going on the tube?
You're the crackhead.
I'm the crackhead.
Crackhead.
Hi.
This is crackhead one. This is King Kiki. Captain's shirt, barger, or a barber's shirt. Do some fit shit. Taking on water. Here I am. Wow, what a view. Say what? It's also on YouTube. Yeah, I was going to say you have to run the checks first.
Nah, they are with the hands.
Oh yeah. So you can tell the shoulders, the jaw, hands. Yeah. I am blocking the whole fucking thing. We're all in. We're all in on the tube. You can see yourself, right?
Hey girl!
Oh, wait.
What's this then?
What is this? It is it?
Project? Casa, I like it.
Happy on the island! Everybody on the island!
The Incredibles. The Incredibles. The Incredibles. Protected for the marine life. Turtle. Fish.
Turtle.
Baby sharks.
the my bag.
My bag.
My bloody bag.
We've been to a place that Leonardo DiCaprio.
He's driving the boat, isn't he? Good on water. That's nice.
Kevin, how reach your idea?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Don't be cross on.
And that's literally just take it off. And then we're going to put it in a bottle.
Oh, that's
and
cute.
film it for TikTok for all our Instagram handles.
What's your idea with that?
Okay.
Apparently, but he says fine.
Should we have a go walk in the sand and have a walk around? Well, so we try and swim. We're going to walk around.
I just poured out a wedgie, Ryan. No.
I'm just gonna have to edit you out.
You said it was closed, didn't you?
Google said like permanently closed. Permanently closed.
Maybe you can look from the outside, but can't go in it anymore.
Shit, look.
I've got so much sand at my arse, I'm not gonna lie.